Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to transcribe now. Import your media and open the text panel. First, choose the sequence and confirm speech to text is enabled. This is how Premiere analyzes audio. Next, set the correct language so the model recognizes vocabulary and accents. Trim obvious noise or dead air. This improves accuracy and speeds processing. You don't need perfection, just remove long silences and apply a quick normalization or gain. Once done, click Transcribe Sequence to begin the automated pass. Once transcription starts, select whether to transcribe the full sequence or an in/out range to save time. Make sure the correct audio track is chosen if you have multiple tracks. This prevents crosstalk recognition. Enable speaker labeling for interviews and toggle automatic punctuation if you want cleaner text. Disabling it gives raw output you can control manually. Click Transcribe and watch the status bar. Large files take longer, so be patient and avoid heavy background processes on your machine. After transcription finishes, use the text panel to correct words, adjust timing, and apply speaker labels. This is where accuracy turns into usable captions. To export, generate captions from the transcript and choose SRT, SDL, or burn-in during video export. If the transcript is inaccurate, recheck audio quality. Apply noise reduction or separate tracks, and retranscribe the focused track. Make sure language and punctuation settings match content. If problems persist, split the file into smaller clips and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.